Let me ask you something. When was the last time you looked at your PPO reimbursements and thought, yeah, that feels fair? Exactly. I'm here to tell you how Apex Reimbursement Specialists can change that. Our job? Making sure you get paid what you're worth. Here's how it works. Step 1. We dig into your current reimbursement schedules. Every provider, every location. Our team verifies the fee accuracy so you know exactly where things stand. Then comes the good part, negotiation. We go directly to the insurance carriers on your behalf and push for higher PPO reimbursement rates. You don't have to lift a finger. Once we secure those better rates, we don't just send a thumbs up and peace out. We deliver a detailed recommendation that shows you, line by line, how much more you'll be earning per code. Transparency, always. And when you approve, we make sure the updated rates are implemented with the correct effective date. So those increases don't just sit on paper, they hit your bottom line. It's not magic, it's just what happens when you've got experts in your corner. More money, less hassle. No surprises. So if you're ready to stop leaving reimbursement dollars on the table, it's time to call Apex. Because negotiating better PPO rates isn't just what we do, it's all we do. Let's get you paid.